Hi, welcome back. I'm glad you're here. So, like I said, I'm going to be teaching you and showing you how you can create a new ad account. We are going to be looking at setting up payments and then understanding, the structure of the ad account. So, let's say this is your Facebook account, right? You're logged into your Facebook account. So, how do you get to the Ads Manager dashboard? Or how do you create a new ad account? So the first thing to do, you see this menu button here. You come here and you click on menu. I'm going to try my best to be very slow, right? So you click on menu, you scroll down, and then you're going to see Ads Manager here, where you can create, you can manage, and you can track the performance of your ads. So what you want to do is click on Ads Manager. So as you can see, all I did was click on Ads Manager, and then we have to do the basic setups, which is creating your ad account, right? So if you've not created an ad account before, or you're new to this is the first step to follow. So you just click on continue setup, and yeah, you need to have a page for your Facebook page, for your Facebook account. You need to have a page linked to your Facebook account, right? Because without a business page, you will not be able to run ads. So they will bring you here to create a page. If you've not created if you already have a page, yeah, you can see this already have a business page, so you can actually skip. But if you don't have a page linked to your account, there's no way you can run ads. So I'm just going to quickly create a page. So let's name this training. Let's just name this training, right? The name of the page, and category, let's say advertising and marketing, right? No need to add let's add a profile picture. I'm just going to pick something from my PC. Okay, so I'm just going to use this as a profile picture, then we can create. So what do you notice, right? If you can see this, they say there's an issue with your page name. Update your name or try a new one. So what do you think may be the problem? So basically, a a page may already be using this name, just training, and just training is usually not specific, right? So let's try something else. Okay, so as you can see, we've created our page, right? And they're asking if we want to link it to an Instagram account. So if you already have an Instagram account, you can just connect it here. All you'll be asked is your Instagram login details, which is your username and your password. But we are not going to link, so we are just going to skip. Now is when we come to adding our payment method. Right now, your payment method now determines the kind of ad account you are creating, if it is a prepaid ad account or a postpaid ad account. So we are going to go ahead to add a payment method. So if you can see, you can add your debit or your credit card. Adding your debit or your credit card means you are creating a postpaid ad account. I mentioned this earlier. So what is a postpaid ad account? A postpaid ad account is an ad account where you add your card as a payment method, and then you set up your ads to run, and when you spend the specific amount, Facebook charges your card and debits your card for what you have spent, and then you continue running your ads. Once you spend another amount, Facebook deducts it. But there's usually issues with having a postpaid ad account, payment issues, especially if you're in Nigeria. So what is advisable is to use this second option, which is Naira payment with Master and Visa card. Using this means you are automatically creating a prepaid ad account, which means you will add funds into your ad account first, and then you can use that funds to run your ads. When the funds is exhausted, you use the same method to add funds right into your ad account. I think we're already talking a bit about adding funds to your ad account, billing and budget on the second option of our slide. So this is the option you would choose. So you just click next. Now this is your VAT ID for tax, right? So if you are a registered business and you have a VAT ID, you can input that here. If you don't do this, that means as you're running your ads, among the budget you're adding, Facebook will take their tax. So imagine you may spend 10,000 for your ads, but they may end up charging you like 10,300 or 10,400. So you shouldn't be surprised. That is just the VAT. So we are going to skip this, and this is where you now choose how much you want to add to your ad account, right? So for this particular ad account, since we are testing, we can just add, let's say we're adding 2,000 naira to the ad account. You put in the amount there and you click on next. Remember the option we chose earlier, we are using naira payments, we're adding funds using naira payments with Master Visa card. So you click on this, and then to take you to this page, you just click on continue, and it will take you to a page where you can now input your card details, right? So I'm just going to input my card details. From the second video, you are going to see I've already inputted my card details, and we'll continue from there. I don't want each video to be very long, so that you can be able to understand it properly and go through them easily, so you don't get discouraged, because most people, once they see a video is 1 hour long, they're already discouraged. So I'm going to try my best as possible to make the videos short and detailed, so you get the best from this course.